fly. I can't talk. My lips are so numb. You ready?
Hi guys.
Is that fun? Oh yeah. Come on.
Hi guys. Put some fire music over this because he's so tough.
Check that out, guys. Ain't nothing better than a four-wheel drive Yamaha Grizzly on a snowy night. I mean, that looks sick. I mean, this is redneck 2.0 right here. Big blood graphs, LED lights that are insanely bright. A rope tied to the back of this, and then the sled. I'm gonna pull Landon. I'm gonna pull my sister, and Landon's gonna pull myself, and we're just gonna have some fun in the snow. We never get snow like this, so we have to have as much fun as possible. Also, I'm wearing goggles because I cannot see when I'm driving because it's still snowing outside and it's freezing.
Yeah, bro. Where's the flash?
You can go stand by the driveway.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son will pop the clock to feed himself and family.
They're going snow. I don't even know what to call this. They're going. While they're gone. Hi guys, it's me. I'm like freezing.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Explore God's nature. I'm tired.